So how can you switch off the control center when the iPhone is locked? Now, it makes total sense because obviously if you swipe down, you can access the toggles, but perhaps if your phone is just laying on a desk somewhere, you might not want some other people to mess with your toggles. And in order to change and tweak that, you just open up the main settings app, and from the available options, you need to scroll down a bit until you find the Face ID and a passcode. Now, you might be like wondering about the direct control center access, but you don't really have much stuff in here, only access within apps. That's why we need to go to the Face ID and a passcode. And if you go in here, you can see a bunch of different things. And entirely at the bottom, you have a series of toggles, which you can turn on or off for multiple different things. And this is the access when locked. And you can see that while the device is locked by a passcode and your Face ID, you might want to turn off the control center right here. And it just means that during the locked period, nobody will be able to access the control center. So obviously you will then just unlock the iPhone and then you'd have the ability to get there. So this would most definitely solve your issue. As you are already in here, you might want to look into some other things, for example, the notification center, the widgets, live activities, Siri, the home control and wallet, and some other things which you perhaps might not want to give anyone access to unless they get inside, like obviously with a passcode. So hope that makes sense. Let me know below in the comments if you manage to switch it off and set it up the exact way as you would want. Subscribe for more guides and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later in the future videos.